Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Happy New Year in advance. Today I'm going to be making coconut rice. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. So the first thing I will do is to introduce you to what I'm using. I have 3 cups of long grain rice, chopped green, red and yellow bell peppers, water, coconut oil, coconut milk, sweet corn, chicken stock, grounded crayfish, black pepper which is also known as Cameroon pepper, chopped Habanero peppers, 2 Maggi cubes, garlic powder, butter, curry powder, salt, thyme, ginger powder, chopped onion and bay leaves. The exact quantity of everything I use will be down in the description box below. Now we wash the rice, rinsing it repeatedly until all the starch has gone out of it and the water is clear. As you can see how clear the water is. Now we drain out the water. Now we pour the rice into the sieve to drain out the excess water. I will add 1 tablespoon of butter into my pot. Then add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Then stir it round. Now we add my washed rice. Then stir it round. I'm going to be toasting my rice until I achieve a light golden brown color. I'm doing this on a medium heat. Now we add my coconut milk. I'm going to be using half of it. I will use the other half later. Then add my chicken stock. Then add water. Then stir it round. I will add half teaspoon of salt, onion, 1 tablespoon of grounded crayfish. Then stir it round. I'll cover it with my foil paper. Then cover it with the lid and leave it to cook for 15 minutes on a low heat. Remember, it's the steam that cooks the rice. It's up to 15 minutes now. This is how the rice looks. I will add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil into my pot. When the oil is hot, I will add my onion. Then stir it round. I will fry the onion until it becomes translucent. Now we add my green, red and yellow bell peppers. Then stir it round. Then add my sweet corn. I will add my chopped Habanero pepper. Then stir it round. I will add 1 teaspoon of thyme, half teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of ginger powder, half teaspoon of Cameroon pepper, 3 bay leaves. Then add the remaining coconut milk. I will add 2 Maggi cubes, half teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of grounded crayfish. Then stir it round. Now we add my rice. Then stir it round. I'll cover it with my foil paper. Then cover it with the lid and leave it to cook for 10 minutes on a low heat. It's up to 10 minutes now. I will stir it round for the last time. So guys, this is the end result of how I make my coconut rice. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.